What's going on, guys? Ross RS here, and today I'm doing another garage vlog, but this time not for this project RS, but the standard RS. As you can see, it's missing a top end. See there? Got a new piston on. If you read my description in the last video, you would have seen that I said the top end didn't go, but it was just wearing out, so I thought it would be best to do a rebuild. So that's what I'm doing now. I've stripped all the way down, taken the old barrel off, which was okay. I mean, it wasn't perfect condition, but it was alright. So I just brought a whole new kit, a Mitaka piston as well, and I'm in the process of putting that all back together now. Now, when you put the engine back together, you're meant to measure the squish gap, which is the gap between top of the piston and obviously top of the head. And the lower it is, the high compression, larger it is, the lower the compression, but then you do gain a bit more sort of reliability. Yeah, I'm starting to paint my exhaust. I've just sanded it all down, or wire brushed it, sanded it, and now it's ready for a coat of paint. I've painted the exhaust header, or the, not manifold, but the bracket for it, and generally I'm just tidying the bike up. So that's another reason why I haven't really been posting that many videos, just the bike's not been working. But yeah, other than that, I shall catch you in a bit. Build quality isn't as good as I expected, but you can't really complain for the £210 really quality. I made a little bit of a muck-up. I tried to buy some extra piston rings, and then they sent like 2 of the same thing. So I presume I just brought the exact same thing that was included anyway. So that just wasted like £20, but oh well. The barrel is placed on. I've just taken the flywheel cover off, so I can turn the engine over. Put the medium gasket in, which is 0.5mm. Do it all up, torque it up, and then try and do a squish test. It all seems to be going well. Alright, here goes. Fuel on. Cold. Kill switch. Actually, I better check for leaks. Okay, I spotted one thing already. I haven't secured the air box, if you can see that. Okay. I'm sure it'll come. Right. Oh well. Get back to you in a sec. The Jubilee clip's sort of on now. So, time to start. Need 2 hands really. There we go. So it fired up. I'll let it run up. Get my words right. I'll let it warm up properly. Blip it a few times and turn it off, and repeat the heat cycle 3 or 4 times. So that'll pretty much be it. I'll get back to you once I've let it cool down and warmed it up again.